now that you are comfortable with inequality equations, we're going to look at compound inequalities. So in other words, there's sometimes when you get a situation where someone might say, today I'm going to teach math and I'm going to go skiing. And you can conclude from that that I'm going to do both. If we take that to mathematics, we now have this function, this statement, 3x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 11, and 12 minus 2x is greater than negative 4. So we're looking for values of x that are true for this inequality and that inequality. So both. To do this, I'm going to solve one inequality at a time. So I'm going to come over here and I would subtract 3x, or add 4 to both sides. So I get 11 plus 4, and that's going to become 3x greater than 15. Now if I divide both sides by 3, I get 5, right? And so I end up with x is greater than or equal to 5. Now I can come down here and look at the other one. So I can come over here and I'm just going to paste this in real quick. So I end up with this. X is greater than or equal to 5. And so there we go. And if I solve this part of the equation, I'm going to subtract 12. So negative 2x is greater than negative 44 minus 12. And I get negative 2x is greater than negative, what is that, 56. And now I'm going to divide by negative 2. And I put this problem in here to remind you that when you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip the inequality sign. And we end up with x is less than a positive 28. So I'm going to write that in here. So now I'm looking for values in which x is greater than or equal to 5 and x is less than 28. So if I come down here and I can represent x is greater than or equal to 5 with this number line, right? Kind of imagine that, and right here, see if we can get this to work. Let's pull this up. And so if I imagine that right here is my number 5, and now I'm going to look at this one, but I need some formatting help. So let's look at this. I really want this to be open, and I want the arrow going the other way. Right? So now if I look at this line, at 28 it looks something like this. So let's extend this. And if we make 28 over here, and you can see that this goes on forever right here. So what is included in my inequality, it'd be this region from 5 to 28. So I'm going to put in a new line, and I know that on the left side I am including 5, and on the right side I am not including 28. And I'm going to make this a little darker and put this right on my number line. So 5 to 28. And so I can write my answer this way, as x is greater than or equal to 5 and x is less than 28. Or, for bonus points, you could write it this way. Let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Here we go, getting there. Thank you for your patience. I could write it as one inequality, and I'd start with this number. 5 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 28. And if I write it this way as a conjunction, I will get bonus points each time I do my work. Okay, I hope that helps and will make it easier for you to solve the practice problem set. Please use the examples in this problem set as well. Please watch the next video on OR problem.